eyes off. You're the kind of guy I just can't get enough of. And I know this is crazy, but I'm crazy about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shani here. And if you are new in my channel, then let me introduce myself. I'm Shani from Bangladesh. And today I'm going to show you this eye makeup look. This eye makeup is so gorgeous. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then give me a like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new videos. And my channel got the 5,000 subscribers, so thank you so much to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys, thanks for the love and support. So without wasting any time, let's start this video.
I already did my foundation and eyebrow and put concealer all over my eyelid area, and now I'm going to start my eye makeup. For eye makeup today I'm using TZ35D eyeshadow palette. From this palette I'm taking this pink color shadow and using this brush MAANGE 5116. With the help of this brush I'm applying this pink color shadow all over my eye crease area. Using Kohl's tape to avoid the messiness, and again blending that crease eyeshadow. Now with the help of Zoeva 234 brush, I'm going to apply this dark purple color shade on my eye crease area just below to the first eyeshadow. Blend the eyeshadow very well and take little by little. Don't take too much eyeshadow at a time. Now going to apply this dark color shadow all over my eyelid, and I am using the same eyeshadow brush Zoeva 234. Now going to apply this black powdery eyeshadow outer corner of my eyelid area, and I'm applying it with the help of a Nonbrand pencil brush. After applying it, I'm going to blend it with the Zoeva 234 brush. Back to my first eyeshadow brush MAANGE 5116, and with the help of this brush I'm again applying pink eyeshadow, and after that I'm applying this golden shimmery color shade on my brow area, and the brush I'm using is from Real Technic accent brush. You can use any kind of other small brush to apply it. For more pigment look, now I am mixing these two eyeshadow and applying on my eye crease area. I am blending it very well so there is no harsh line on my eyeshadow. Again I am using this dark color shade on my eyelid area, and after that I am going to use this purple color shade on my eye crease. Same way now I am going to apply my lower eyeshadows. First I am applying this dark purple color shade, and after that I am now applying this middle purple color shadow, and after that I am using this pink color eyeshadow. Now I am using the black powdery color shadow. After black powdery color shade I am going to apply again this pink color shade, and then blending it very well. Now the most fun part, glitter. I'm going to use this purple multicolor glitter. If you don't have this kind of glitter, then you can make it. Buy 2 or 3 4 color glitter and then mixed it and make this kind of glitter. First I'm going to apply glitter glue on my eyelid, and I'm using Technic eyelash glue, and I'm applying it how we do half cut crease, just like that. I'm applying this glue, and the brush I'm using is Zoeva 226. I applied my glitter glue, and now I'm going to apply the glitter. I'm applying the glitter with the same Zoeva brush and applying the glitter little by little. After applying your glitter, don't open your eyes. Let the glue dry and then open your eyes. My glitter glue goes dry, and now I'm going to use this purple color shade outer corner of my eyelid to avoid the edges of the glitter. Using that black powdery eyeshadow, blending it with Zoeva 234 brush. Now I'm going to use golden color glitter eyeliner just above this glitter, and I'm using Nonbrand glitter eyeliner. You can use any kind of glitter color eyeliner as per your choice. For lining my eyes, I'm using Magic Flower gel eyeliner. With this gel eyeliner, I'm going to draw a very thin line, not going to do any long wings. Using Jordana white Kohl Kajal on my waterline and also inner corner of my eyes. Time for using false lashes, and I'm using Huda Beauty false eyelashes and glue from Technic. Gel eyeliner so that my eyeliner lines look straight. Using color lenses from Bella Circle Blue. Using this gold color shimmery shade inner corner of my eyes to highlight my inner corner. Using mascara from Jordana black, and use lots of mascara on your lower lash line so that your lower lash line lashes look so thicker, and it will make your eyes look bigger and beautiful. My eye makeup is complete, and look how beautiful my eyes are looking now. And now I'm going to finish my face makeup and do my contouring For contouring, I'm using Makeup Revolution Brush Palette Golden Sugar, and from this palette I took the brown shade for contouring my face. You should contour your cheeks from your hairline to middle of your cheek, how I'm showing here. Contouring your face helps to look your face look slimmer. Don't forget to contour your forehead and your jawline too. The blush I'm using is from Jordana 17 Rouge. It's a beautiful pinkish color blush. I'm not going to use any highlighter today, but if you like highlighter, then you can definitely use it. With the same color, I'm contouring my nose. For lining my lips, I am using Jordana Lip Liner Ruby Rose and going to use the liquid lipstick. It's from Colourpop Mars. I just love this lip color. It's so beautiful. I didn't apply foundation on my neck, that's why my neck is looking a little bit darker than my face. Sorry for that, please avoid it. Actually, I'm not going anywhere, staying at home and making this video for you all. But if you are going outside, then you must apply foundation on your neck and ears. This is the final look. Come to the end of this video. I hope this video will be helpful to you and you like this video. If you like this video, then give a like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.